Hey YouTube, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and also make sure you check out my website, daytradingfearless.com, where I do S&P Emini trade zones for the weekly every week, and then also my Patreon page where you can follow along with my Day Trading Fearless Patreon stock and option portfolio. So as always, let's jump right into it. This is a great time, the very beginning of 2021, if you're watching this, to look at if you were a S&P Emini futures day trader, or a SPY trader. You can also use these same levels for SPY. You'll just need to have two charts side by side. But this is a video going over my S&P Emini futures weekly trade zones you can find at my website. It's only $10 a month, or for a limited time, I'm doing $50 for a lifetime subscription. So the link is down below. To sign up and check out my website, and I'll show you guys kind of what you get for this and all that. But these trade levels are mainly support and resistance levels, okay, where when price goes up towards the red levels, you want to look to short. When they come down to the green levels, you want to look to be a buyer. I also have the virgin points of control and also open gaps, right? So if we come over here and then we look at this right here, okay, you'll also get these charts. This is my 5-day, 5-minute market profile. And what I like to do is I like to put where the the virgin points of control are, which is where they've not been touched yet. You could see prices not come down, right? So I kind of do all the work for you. And I also let you know where the open gaps are, okay? Now, once they've been touched or come very, very close within a point or so, and then bounce, just remove it from the charts. But if you use Thinkorswim, I actually give you the share charts. And if we go to Day Trading Fearless under members, right? Right here is, these are the zones updated for the week of January 3rd, 2020. I usually do these by Friday evening or even Saturday evening, but for sure every day every Sunday evening, every week they are updated once a week, okay, by 6 p.m. by the time the markets open, okay, on Sunday night. And these are what you get. You get the charts, right? If you use Thinkorswim, you actually get the share chart, right? So if you want to share it, you could download the chart directly. But these are the levels, the resistance. So if you use another program, you can manually put these levels in, okay? Here are the resistance, here are the support levels, open gaps, and open VPOCs, okay? I also show you guys how to trade these zones right down here. So it's a video that you can watch and things like that. Also, if you want to check out my website, at Day Trading Fearless, I kind of tell you what's going on with the trade zones. Also, I have a Patreon page where I trade stocks, stock dividends, and also options with a spreadsheet. And this is kind of where you can. Okay, so this is my Patreon page. This is what you'll see, right? I started this back in November 1st, 2020, and what it does, we're starting with a $50,000 portfolio. And a lot of these stocks are for dividends, to collect the dividends. I show you what stocks I'm currently in. I'm always adding to this. If things run up really good, I'll take profits. But what the current price is, my entry date, how many shares I bought, because a lot of these I want to leg into. So if the market's just been going up and up, but if it pulls back, I will add to them my cost basis, right? Gain and loss. And these are more just long-term and swing trades. But then over here, we also have our dividend stocks for the long term. where these are the 4 I'm currently in, with profit, loss, how many shares. Again, I'm collecting the dividend, so it tells you how much of the dividend. And then I also sit there and do option calls, puts, portfolio. This is more where I'm selling sorry, where I'm selling options to collect premium. So far we've since I've been doing this, we've collected $69. And these are just usually one contract where I'm collecting 34 cents or 2 cents, things like that. And selling like Apple, I sold the 100 strike. I also, on the Patreon page, you'll get real-time alerts of every time I enter and all that pushed out. So make sure you check out my Patreon page at patreon.com/Day Trading Fearless. So, but going back to the website, if you click up here, S&P Emini trade zones, this will tell you all about it. And like I said, we have a special lifetime access of $50. So pay one time and pretty much you get the trade zones every single week for life. Okay. I've been doing this, just so you guys know, I've been doing these trade zones for about 4 years now. So I've been doing them for a while. And this is what the members section looks like, right? Again, so you're able to kind of go and write them down. You could download the Thinkorswim share and then just sit there and upload those zones directly for yourself. I do all the work if you are a Thinkorswim user, right? So, but going back, these are just levels where as we come down into a level, you want to look to be a buyer. Okay, if you could trade options, the futures, SPY stock, you can even trade Nadex. These are really, really good zones for trading Nadex. The reason being is because you can have defined risk and you really don't have to worry about stop losses necessarily. You can let the trade work out. And all that, but I do have videos on how to trade them. This is just a great video, I think, to start the year off. New Year's resolution, I'm offering that $50 lifetime, or if you want, just $10 a month, in every single Sunday night. So one more thing with all the trade zones, okay, there is that tutorial on the website that you'll be able to see right here. If you scroll down, how to trade the weekly trade zones, or just go look at the videos, my videos I've done, and you'll be able to find them there. So until next time, we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.